Hello, class. My name is Miss Ian. Nice to meet you. Welcome to Miss Thor English class. Now, let's read together. Jolly phonics. Sound t words. T e n teen teen. T o p top top. Cat cat cat. Eat seat seat. Ant ant ant. Jolly phonics sound t sentences. Cat can see a top. Cat can see a top. Ant sit in a tin. Ant sit in a tin. Goodbye, class.